Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we're kind of doing this little vlog style, maybe, I don't know what you will call it, but we're going to do a house tour. So we are in Blue Ridge Mountain, Georgia, and Jared's videoing me, so I have no idea why he just gave me that look. But anyway, so we're going to do a house tour. So this is our house. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and it sleeps 10 people. It has a downstairs and upstairs and a bunch of like arcade and fun games to play. So let's go ahead and get going. So first off, we are going to go all the way up to the stairs. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going to go up to the stairs. So we are here for 5 days from, is it 5 or 6 days? I don't remember, but we got here on Wednesday and we will be here until Monday morning. So first off, we're going to come right into the main entrance, and this is it. Just excuse the mess because we have already moved in. So first off, this is the dining room and the living room right here. You have the kitchen. Jared's just going to pan over. There's a kitchen. We have all the snacks already. And we're going to move up to the loft. So this is where Jared and I are staying. And it's actually pretty cool. Let me see if I can turn the light on. The light does not work. I don't know. There's a lot of lights switches in here. So y'all are just going to have to go into the dark real quick. But anyway, so this is the loft. Right here. So this is our little bedroom. It's very cozy. This is the softest mattress. Excuse the mess again. This is the softest mattress out of all the 3 rooms. This is our bathroom. Just plain simple. It's very cozy vibes. We haven't used a shower or anything yet. My brother and sister-in-law are here as well. It's just a family trip. And we're going to go and move downstairs. There's my sister-in-law. She's getting ready. I'm doing a house tour. We won't go to their rooms or anything. But this is the other bedroom that we were thinking about staying in here. But this is the other guest room. Has a closet. And then there is a shower, and then a bedroom, the master bedroom where my brother and sister-in-law is staying. And should we go downstairs? So let's go downstairs to the basement. This is like a little game room. It has arcade. It has foosball. It has a TV. There's multiple TVs in this house. And it will be great for game day. I'm not sure if you can hear me. I should get like a mic or something. Anyways, so here is the basement. Like I said, there's arcade, there's foosball, there's checkers, there's a bunch of board games under here. And we're going to move on to over into the bunk bed area. So this is how it sleeps 10 people. So this is the bedroom. Has bunk beds. Has 1, 2, and 3 bunk beds. Has a little hideaway that has extra blankets and stuff like that. But yeah, that is the bunk beds. Okay, so let's move on to this little hallway. This is just where the laundry is. And also there is a bathroom and a shower. That is all that is inside the house. So we're going to go outside. Jared, please do not run into a table. So we're going to go outside now. All right, so this is the lower half. So we have a putt-putt section. There is 8 holes, 4 up top and 4 at the bottom. You have a picnic table and you have firewood. We did make a little fire last night, which was very nice. You move over here and Jared's gonna pan the scenery that we have. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? It is so pretty. We are up in the mountains. We have the fire pit right here, a bunch of seating. It was very cozy last night. And then we're gonna move up to the upstairs now. Now the upstairs has a jacuzzi, another like seating area to host like large family gatherings. And then also there is the other 4 putt-putt. Hopefully Jared is filming correctly. All right, so this is the main area right here. Now you have the 4 putt-putt area. You have the long like farmhouse table. You have the Connect 4. Here's your putt-putt area. A bunch more seatings, and then this is the jacuzzi. We did already went into the jacuzzi last night. And then the last area is, you guessed it, more seatings. So you have a bunch of rocking chairs, you have a swing, and that's it, you guys. So this is, I am out of breath for doing these stairs. So that is it. This is the house tour for our 5-day vacation stay in Blue Ridge Mountain, Georgia. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in another video, and hopefully it's going to be more vlogs. But anyways, see you guys later. Bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I already cut the video, but I am super excited to be up here, and I hope you guys are ready for some vlogs. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that I can vlog and that there is no interruption with internet or anything like that. But thank you guys so much for all the recommendation on what to do in Blue Ridge on my Instagram, and thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video, which today hopefully I'm already filming the vlog early in the morning when I just woke up, and then now I'm getting ready and everything, and we are going to head out. So hopefully that vlog will be up maybe Friday. This house tour will hopefully be up on Thursday today. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later.